Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you a few juice recipes that I absolutely love, especially for my sweet tooth people. These juices are super sweet, but of course if you don't like sweet stuff you can eliminate some ingredients. I love these juices and they work so well first thing in the morning, very refreshing, and of course very good for you. So let's get started. So, welcome to my fridge. I did a little food shop the other day and here's like a haul of some of the stuff that I bought. Of course we have our veggies, we have our fruits, we have some other miscellaneous things over here, but these are the fruits and veggies we're going to be working with today. This on an empty stomach when you've just woken up, so refreshing. This second juice is if you're like me and you love the benefits of celery and getting your greens in, but you hate the taste of celery juice by itself. This juice is for you. Celery juice by itself can taste really nasty. It has a very weird bitter taste. If you haven't tried celery juice, I'm sure the first time you try it you might be like, ugh, what the hell is this? But I found a little hack. If you mix your celery with a sweet fruit like pear, this would help the taste go down a lot better. So I'm going to show you the recipe of the second juice and let me know if you try it and let me know what you think of it down below. This juice has a nice balance of like sweet and sour, but with a kick in it. The ginger gives it the kick. I really love ginger in my juices. So yeah, let's taste it. Ooh, wow. It's strong because of the ginger, but it's like a refreshing strong. It makes you feel like buzzed. I don't know how to describe it. Just try it and let me know what you think. This is definitely a nice cheat code to get in the celery in your system without having to compromise with the taste. So good. If you don't like celery, try combining it with a fruit that you really love, and trust me, you're gonna like some celery. This last juice How gorgeous is it, first of all? I mean, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I actually came across this recipe by accident, which is true to a lot of my recipes. I just kind of mix and blend and just see what works for my body and what I respond to best. This is so good. Like, let me just remind myself. Ooh! This, oh my god, this is so good. I can't, you have to try it to understand. Like, it's such a refreshing taste. Let me, ooh. Imagine waking up, there's crust in your eye, and you've done your juice prep for the week, and you open your fridge and you've got this cold beverage waiting for you, and then you just sip and your thirst is quenched. Your stomach is happy, you feel energized. You need to try it. It's like, it's really sweet, super sweet. It's sweet, and then the ginger gives it that kick. It's just all around giving what it's supposed to give. And the benefits, the fact that it's good for you, cheers. Cheers every time. Every time. So yeah guys, that's it from me and some of my favorite juices. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely try them and definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Since I know that you guys respond really well to these videos, I'm going to try my best to continue making them and hopefully you like them. You can definitely leave some suggestions down below for any videos that you want to see. Cheers to continued good health for 2023 and long life. Amen. Cheers.
No. Oh, we dream.